Kate, have you ever been in an argument and you knew you were right, but you couldn't find the words?
Oh my God, all the time.
Right? Like the words are stuck in your brain.
Yes, and then later, in the shower, suddenly you know exactly what to say.
Shower arguments, the best arguments.
The ones you always win.
Always, but too late.
Way too late.
Well, today, we're going to fix that.
Finally.
Let's learn how to debate in English.
Simple debates. Nothing scary.
Just real conversations.
Let's do it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. How are you today, Martin?
I'm great, Kate. Feeling argumentative today.
Argumentative, really?
In a good way, in a fun way.
Oh, okay, that's better.
Yeah, not angry, just ready to discuss.
I like that. Ready to discuss.
What about you? How's your day?
Pretty good. Had a big breakfast, so lots of energy.
Perfect. We need that energy today.
Why? What are we doing?
Well, Kate, we're on day 24 of our 30-day challenge.
Day 24? We're almost done.
I know, just 6 more days.
That's crazy, Martin.
Time flies, right?
It really does.
And today's topic is English debate practice.
Ooh, debate. This is going to be interesting.
It is. We're going to practice disagreeing in English.
Politely disagreeing, right?
Yes, politely. Very important.
Okay, good.
And hey, if you're enjoying this episode,
Please hit that like button
it really helps us out.
and subscribe if you haven't yet.
We post new episodes every single day,
Every day, all month long.
so don't miss out.
All right, Martin, let's talk about debates.
Let's do it.
Okay, so Martin, what exactly is a debate?
Good question. A debate is when two people discuss different opinions.
So like an argument?
Kind of, but friendlier.
A friendly argument.
Exactly. You disagree, but you stay respectful,
Okay, I like that.
right? It's not about fighting.
It's about sharing ideas.
Exactly, Kate. Sharing different ideas.
Got it. So why should English learners practice this?
Oh, great question.
I thought so.
Very smart. Okay, so in real life, you need to express opinions.
True.
Like at work, with friends, with family.
Right, you can't just agree with everything.
Exactly. Sometimes you need to say, I don't think so.
Or I disagree.
Yes, but in a nice way.
That's the hard part, Martin.
It is. That's what we're practicing today.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, Kate, let's start with some simple phrases.
Okay.
When you want to disagree politely, what can you say?
I don't agree.
Good, that works. But there's something softer.
Softer? Like what?
Try, I see what you mean, but,
Ooh, I like that.
right? It's gentle.
Very gentle. So I'm saying, I understand you.
Exactly. You understand, but you have a different opinion.
That's smart.
It's like you're respecting their opinion first.
And then adding yours.
Exactly, Kate.
What else can we say?
You can say, I think differently.
Oh, that's nice too.
Or, I'm not sure I agree with that.
Okay, that's very polite.
Very polite, very soft.
I like these phrases, Martin.
Good. Let's practice them.
Let's do it.
Okay, Kate, I'm going to say an opinion.
Okay,
And you disagree with me. Politely.
got it. Go ahead.
Okay. I think cats are better than dogs.
Oh no, okay, I see what you mean, Martin, but I think dogs are more fun.
Perfect. That was great.
Really?
Yes, you started with, I see what you mean.
Right.
That shows you're listening. And then you added your opinion.
Oh, I like this.
See? Not scary at all.
Not scary. Okay, my turn.
Your turn to give an opinion?
Yes, and you disagree.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, I think summer is the best season.
I'm not sure I agree with that, Kate. I think autumn is better.
Autumn, really?
Yes, the colors, the weather, it's perfect.
Okay, I see your point.
Thank you.
But summer has the beach.
True, that's a good point.
See, we're debating.
We are, and it's fun.
It is fun.
Okay, but Kate, what if you really disagree?
Like, strongly?
Yes, what do you say?
Good question.
You can say, I completely disagree.
That sounds strong.
It is strong, but it's still okay to say.
Really?
Yes, just say it politely, with a calm voice.
Okay, so tone matters.
Tone matters a lot, Kate.
That makes sense.
And you can also say, I don't think that's true.
Oh, that's direct.
It is, but sometimes you need to be direct.
True, especially if it's something important.
Exactly.
Okay, so we can be strong but stay polite.
Perfect summary, Kate.
Thanks. Martin, what about when someone makes a really good point?
Oh, good question.
Like, they say something and you're like, oh, I didn't think of that.
Right, what do you say?
Exactly.
Okay, so you can say, that's a good point.
Simple.
Very simple. Or, I never thought of it that way.
Ooh, I like that one.
It shows you're open-minded.
Right, you're willing to consider other ideas.
Exactly, Kate. That's important in a debate.
It is. You can't just close your mind,
Nope, you have to listen.
even if you disagree.
Especially if you disagree.
That's hard, Martin.
I know, but it's good practice.
It really is.
All right, let's try a real debate.
Okay, what's the topic?
How about this? Is it better to live in the city or the countryside?
Ooh, good topic.
Right, everyone has an opinion on this.
True. Okay, I'll say city.
Okay, and I'll say countryside.
Perfect. You start.
All right, I think the countryside is better because it's peaceful and quiet.
I see what you mean, Martin, but I think the city is more exciting.
Exciting how?
There's always something to do. Restaurants, museums, events.
That's true, but the countryside has nature.
Nature is nice, but I need people around.
You need people?
Yes, I get bored without people.
Fair enough, but cities are so noisy.
Okay, you have a point there.
See, the countryside is calm.
But Martin, what about jobs? There are more jobs in the city,
Oh, that's a good point, Kate.
right? You have more opportunities.
True, I didn't think of that.
So city wins?
Maybe you're right.
Yes.
See, Kate, that was a great debate.
It was, and we didn't fight,
Exactly, we stayed friendly.
even though we disagreed.
Right, that's the key.
I like this, Martin.
Me too, it's actually fun.
It really is.
And you know what? This is real English.
What do you mean?
Like, native speakers do this all the time.
Debate about things?
Yes, at dinner, at work, with friends.
Oh, true.
So if you can do this, you can have real conversations.
That's a good point.
Thanks.
Okay, Martin, let's do another one.
Another debate?
Yes, I'm having fun.
Okay, what's the topic?
How about, is it better to read books or watch movies?
Ooh, classic debate.
Right? Okay, I'll say movies.
And I'll say books.
Perfect. Go.
Okay, books are better because they use your imagination.
I think differently, Martin.
Okay, tell me.
Movies show you the story. You can see everything.
But that's less creative.
Maybe, but it's easier.
Easier? Really?
Yes, you don't have to imagine. You just watch.
But Kate, books have more detail.
Do they?
Yes, movies cut things out,
Okay, that's a fair point.
right? Books tell the whole story.
But movies are faster.
Faster?
Yes, a book takes days to read. A movie takes 2 hours.
You're just impatient, Kate.
Maybe, but I'm also busy.
Fair enough.
So who wins?
I don't know. Both are good?
Okay, we'll call it a tie.
Deal. You know, Kate, I think debates teach us something important.
What's that?
That it's okay to disagree,
Oh, I like that.
right? Like, we can have different opinions and still be friends.
Absolutely.
And in English, you can disagree politely.
With the right phrases.
Exactly. I see what you mean, but
Or I think differently.
yeah, those phrases keep it friendly.
They really do.
And you know what else?
What?
Listening is important too.
Oh, definitely.
You can't just talk. You have to listen to the other person.
Right. Understand their point of view,
Exactly, Kate.
even if you don't agree.
Even if you don't agree.
Okay, Martin, one more debate?
Sure, let's do it.
Okay, is breakfast the most important meal of the day?
Oh, good one.
Right? Okay, I'll say yes.
And I'll say no.
Interesting. Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
I think breakfast is the most important because it gives you energy for the day.
I'm not sure I agree with that, Kate.
No? Why not?
Because some people feel better skipping breakfast.
Really?
Yes, like intermittent fasting,
Oh, okay, I see your point.
right? It depends on the person.
True, but most people need food in the morning.
Maybe, but lunch is also important.
Okay, that's fair.
And dinner.
Okay. All meals are important.
Exactly.
Fine, you win this one.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, we want to hear from you now.
Yes, comment time.
So here's our question.
What do you prefer, city or countryside?
Yeah, tell us in the comments.
And tell us why.
Use English. Practice your writing.
We'll read all the comments.
We really will.
And we might reply.
We definitely might.
So don't be shy. Comment below.
Okay, Kate, let's wrap this up.
Sounds good. So what did we learn today?
We learned how to debate in English.
Politely.
Very important. Politely.
We learned phrases like, I see what you mean, but,
And I think differently.
and that's a good point.
Exactly. Those phrases help you disagree without fighting.
Right, you stay friendly.
And we practiced real debates.
City versus countryside.
Books versus movies.
That was fun.
It was. And you know what?
What?
You can use this in real life.
Absolutely.
At work, with friends, anywhere.
Just remember to be polite.
Always polite.
And listen to the other person.
Very important, Kate.
Very important.
All right, everyone. That's it for today.
Day 24, done.
We're so close to the end.
Just 6 more days.
I can't believe it.
Me neither, Martin.
But we're not done yet.
Nope. We'll see you tomorrow.
Day 25.
Can't wait.
And hey, if you enjoyed this episode,
Please subscribe
hit that notification bell.
and share it with your friends.
It really helps us keep going.
All right, everyone. Take care.
Practice your debates.
Yes, go debate someone.
Politely.
Very politely.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Happy learning.
And happy debating.
Perfect ending.
Thanks, Kate.
Bye.